This is Tim DeLeo with usingwindowshomeserver.com. In this video, I'm going to show how easy it is to add an external hard drive as a backup device for your Vail Windows server. Once I've connected the drive, I will click on Informational Alerts, and you can see that it shows the drive and when it was connected. Seagate FreeAgent Pro. To add the drive, I click on Server Folders and Hard Drives, and I now have my Seagate FreeAgent Pro drive available. It does not show a status because it hasn't been either added as storage or used as a backup. I click on Add the hard drive to Server Backup. It's going to take a moment and analyze the drive. It is now ready to prepare to back up the server. I click on Next. I can click on the drive, click on Next. If I want to label the drive, I can enter in the device data, click on Next. This is different now with Windows Server codename Vail because I can now specify the backup schedule. I'm going to leave it at twice a day, which is the default. Click on Next. I'm going to back up the entire server. You can see here that I have checkboxes for each one of these. I'll click on Next. And I'm going to enable the drive to be completely erased. You should have already backed up your data at this point from the drive. I click on Next, and it will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. And you can see now that it gives me a dialog box saying that I've been successful. It has also cleared the alert. I will click on Close. Now you can see I have three choices. I have my system drive, I have my server storage, and I have my FreeAgent Pro. I can right mouse click and I can view the properties, and this will give me all of the information that I need. It gives me the capacity, the model, and the serial number. Now that I have my server backup ready to go, I will click on Computers and Backups. I will click once on Vail Server, which is the name of my server, and I will click Start a Backup for the computer. I will click on Yes. And it will now prepare the backup. You can see that it always gives you a status of each of your drives. You can see now that it's taken a couple of minutes to prepare for the first backup. Again, I just connected this new drive, it formatted the drive, and now configured the backup. Now it's going to go through and give us progress bars based on the percentage of backup completed. In the lower right hand corner of the screen, it shows you the time and the date. Reference that date when we get to 100%. We're coming up on 100% for Windows Server codename Vail backup. It's taken a couple hours, but this is the first time that I've done a backup with a USB drive.